The famous, 7-Eleven. 7 Evelyn. Pwede tayo mag-picture. Mag-cloud tayo, mag-set up tayo. Mai! Teka dito. This after
Day in the life of...
of an unemployed person pero ang lakas magbakasyon.
Sino ka dyan?
We're out again for sunset. Outfit number 2. The making of this TikTok shit. Ganun pala dapat pag naglalaki. Wala dapat pag nagdadali. Hi, miss. Sino ka? Paano hindi tayo magkakilala? Paano ka nagkakilala? Good night.
Yung parang matingin ko, parang mahal na mahal ka na.
Good night. Try natin yung dirty matcha. Ilang may sa po. Cheers.
Oo, kasi chili siya na.
That's it for tonight. See you tomorrow. Bye. Tanghali, hapon,
Either hang 10 or tequila. Cheers, love. Ay.
For the cloud, sige laban for the photo. Gampanan natin itong alak. Hindi na yung voice. Ano ba yung pinag-video?
Time check.
Ito,
11:33
11:33.
p.m.
papunta tayo. Seven Evelyn. Ay, akala ko pinapasakay tayo. Akala ko pinapasakay tayo. Sabi ko hindi. That's gunawayan mo rin eh. Midnight snack hunting.
Kahit hindi ka na alas 8. Midnight stock na mga paano na. Patanda na.
True.
Snack hunting.
Ay! 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 Sige. Magiging kwento talaga. Sa highway, sa highway sila nag-practice. Ah. Wait lang. Saan ba yung nakapwesto? Dito, ito ba? Online. Which one? 11:46. Ito yung wala. Bye. See you tomorrow. Good morning, Philippines. Time check 6 a.m. again. Wow, mga morning person. Saka may coffee. Saan? Ah, okay. Parang hotdog sa lamig. Beach ready. Let's go. Got the goods. Saan tayo doon na?
Saan tayo ulit?
Ano? Oh, madam. Hoy, malaglag ka dyan, dear.
Doon pala sinarado natin, tapos gano'n, Sorry.
Yun na yung effect, wala. Wow, solar halo.
Ben naman ako.
Ilan taon ka na? 6? Marunong ka na magbilang?
Araw na masa mag-sales eh. Bye-bye.
Morning deep.
It's Thursday, Friday na bukas.
Yeah. After, 4 days? 3 nights? Oh.
We're going home. And I'm coming home too.
Ano sabi tapos na mag-concert, mag-beach, hike naman.
On
Saka
the
out of town. Mali mo, out of the country. Wow, chef. Hi, kids.
Who's your tita? Tita sa...
Hindi ka mabubuo, wala pa kasi yung dad mo. Hahanap pa tayo ng dad mo dito sa LU. Gusto mo ba ng pang future Miss Universe ka? Kukuha tayo ng afam. May Pinoy naman na matot.
How's your swim?
Shout out to Patricia May.
Shout-
Sa
ano?
pagsama sa akin.
This trip is brought to you by Philippine 7 Corporation.
Tapos nagsama ng,
Yeah.
nagsama ng +1. Thanks, Mai. Kaya pag ika-boyfriend ako, sasama kita sa FM.
Kahit iparapol mo na lang yung anak mo, okay na.
What if ikaw mauna? Saan yung gusto mo? Hindi sa work trip. Saan mo gusto next?
Next, Sikihor.
True.
Ano?
Say.
Manifesting Sikihor.
With you. Ang sasabihin. Finally.
Finally.
Thank you sa hair by Pat.
Work.
Mas dapat pala tayo nag-sunblock sa ganito eh. Isang grilled cheese po.
For 10 minutes. Yan lang.
Yes po.
209. Ng tita.
Leona.
Fiona.
Leon.
Yana.
Yeah. Got the goods. Kapatato ka?
Lang, gagal.
Akala ko talaga.
It's so easy falling in love with me. The way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share a walk in Central Park. I could be fresh air, might be the girl of your dreams. There's no need to hide if you're into me, 'cause I'm into you quite intimately. And maybe one night could turn into three. Well, I'm down to see, 'cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall into us. I'm the perfect mixer, Saturday night and the rest of your life.
Mai.
Anyone with a heart would agree. It's so easy falling in love with me.
Right? Yan.
Sarap. Ilang araw ba tayo?
Parang mga 2 weeks sila dito.
Sobra sa swimsuit, kulang sa damit. Standing kami mula La Union hanggang Cubao.
Siguro i-manifest natin.
Pagdating ako, tigas na ng tuhod ko, hindi na natitiklop. On to our next trip. Bye!